Hello, this is Miss Palomino. Today I'm going to show you how to add and subtract integers. What are integers? Integers are whole numbers and its opposites, meaning the opposite of 0 is 0. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. The opposite of these list of numbers will be -1, -2, -3, and so forth, all the way to negative infinity. So these will be the integers. All right, how do we add integers? I'm going to show you with the rules today. For adding integers, we have two rules. Rule number 1, if both numbers have the same sign. So if both numbers have the same sign, we're gonna add the numbers, add, and keep the same sign on your answer. Rule number 2, if both numbers have different signs, then you're gonna subtract and you're gonna keep the sign of the largest number. Let me give you an example. Let's say we have 5 plus 2. These two are integers. 5 is somewhere over here in the number line, and here's 2. We're gonna add these two numbers. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Both are positive. Both have the same sign. So my answer will be the same sign. So you add and keep the same sign. What if both numbers are, you adding both but are negative? This rule number 1 applies because they both have the same sign. They're both negative, so you're gonna add and you're gonna keep the same sign on your answer. So these will be -7. What about if only 5 is negative? If only 5 is negative, if both numbers have different signs, these two have different signs, one is negative, one is positive, then you're gonna subtract the numbers. Subtract, okay, 5 minus 2 is 3. You always do subtract the big number minus the small number. Subtract the numbers and you're gonna keep the sign of the largest number. 5 is my largest number, 5 is negative, so my answer will be negative. Okay, what if we have 5 positive but 2 is negative? So again, 1 is positive, 1 is negative, the signs are different. Rule number 2 applies, where you have to subtract. Keep the sign of the largest number. 5 is positive, so my answer is gonna be positive. Very good. Simple as that with the rules. For subtracting, let me use the same number. So I'm gonna say -5 minus -2. For subtracting integers, we have to follow 3 steps. The first one is, you're gonna keep the first number the same. I'm gonna rewrite everything. So You're gonna change your symbol from subtracting to adding. So keep the first number the same, change subtracting sign to addition sign, change the second number to its opposite. So I talked about the opposites earlier. So opposite of -2 will be +2. Now we can apply the addition rules. We have different numbers, so we're gonna subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3, and keep the sign of the largest number. And these will be my final answer. What about this one? Well, apply the rules or the steps. If you apply the steps, the first step said keep the first number the same, change your sign from subtracting to adding. Step 1, keep the first number the same. We're not gonna do anything to the first number. Change your sign from subtracting to adding, okay? And find the opposite of the second number. Opposite of 5 will be -5. Now we're gonna apply the rules for adding integers. We have the same sign. When we have the same sign, we add the numbers and we keep the same sign on our answer. So our answer, we know that's gonna be negative. Then we add 8 plus 5, which is 13. So let's just briefly review the steps. Keep first number. We keep the first number the same. Second step is change. You're gonna change your negative to a plus. Third step will be you're gonna find opposite or change your second number. Change your second number to its opposite. And step 4 is just apply addition rules. Okay, let me know if you have any other questions regarding how to add or subtract integers, but it's pretty straightforward if you follow the steps. Thanks for watching this video. Please let me know if you have any other questions. And any more questions, let me know. Send me a message to Schoology and I will record another video for you. Thanks. Bye.